Hi, my name is Ashwin. Well, we had a big hole in the wall, so I called Andy yesterday actually. We got it real quick. I sent some pictures and he was able to come out today, and the walls looked great, as good as new.
Okay, we're back. We got a hole opened up about 18.5 by 36. If you look behind the insulation we got in here, we installed a piece of plywood. And the piece of plywood is for this backside, which also got damaged. Swing around the pole. We got the 4 screws here are all onto that board, trying to pull this corner really tight. We've also put a couple screws in the wall. I might do a couple more just to make sure we pull that drywall back tight as possible. Okay, so I've got the piece installed. There's a little gap here down in the bottom. There's a piece of trim that's going to cover that. I'll fill it with some Durabond, but we should be okay. I installed some plywood behind here so that this is together and together. It's pretty tight. Coming around this side really quick, you can see that I've gone pretty far as like distance away from the affected area. And I still got to cut a little bit of this out and whatnot. When you go down here though, you can see how much we pulled the wall closer. Okay, so I have the first coat of Durabond on and the fiber tape with the blue cross stitching, whatever you want to call it. And then the other side, same. We're getting ready to do our second coat with 20-minute easy sand. Okay, I stopped back by. My first coat of 20 is on. It's fairly dry. The fans were off when I got back. I am going to put a heat gun to it for a minute, and then I'm going to put the third coat on before it's fully dry. This one here, I'm going to get a coat on it, and I'm going to get some fans on it as well. Okay, so I have a third coat on here. It looks pretty tight. There's a little bit of sanding that's going to have to be done, but I think that's a wrap for this one. I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. Maybe a tiny one. This one will probably need one more. Okay, so I got the one side is first coated with paint, and it looks fantastic. I mean, when I look around, I don't really see anything, that needs attention.
And not only just the looks, but Andy did a fabulous job in and out to make it really sturdy, and it's great. I would highly recommend him.
Thanks so much. I appreciate it.